In this tutorial, I will show you an example of how to use your Smart Pen to create learning materials. In my learning materials, I have created a worksheet for my students where I want them to practice Russian alphabet and some sample words in cursive. But I also want to create somewhat of a guide for them to know how to write in cursive. For that, I used my Smart Pen and a special notebook to write all these words and letters out. And now I will use the LiveScribe desktop program to create a narrated PDF file with my cursive. I have already connected my Smart Pen to my computer and launched LiveScribe desktop program. Now I will go to all my files and I will find the files that I have just created, which are these last two. I will preview them, and that's exactly how I want them to look. On the left, I have my letters, similar to how I have them in the worksheet. And in green, you can see my recording.
Б, Ж, грамм, доктор.
As you can see, students can both hear the words and the letters that I'm writing and see how I wrote them out. Now, if I go back to my notebook, I want these two files to be together. To do that, I will create a custom notebook. I will call it Handwriting Practice. So here is my notebook. Right now, I will just drag the files that I need to this notebook. If I click on it now, my files are right here. Now what I want to do is to create a narrated PDF file for my students. As you can see, the program gives you a lot of options to save your files. You can email it, you can put it on Facebook or Google Docs or Google Sites, but right now I want to just save it to my computer. So I will highlight my two files and drag them to the word computer. Here I can select my options, and I want pages with audio, and I want to save it as a Pencast PDF. I will click continue. So in here I have an option to save my file in one of my folders. I will select my alphabet handwriting folder and will edit as handwriting practice. I will click save. And now when I go to my folder, I should see this PDF right here. Once I click on it, I can see everything right here, and again I can click anywhere in this PowerPoint.
Вино, грамм, царь,
to hear my letters and words.
ща.
So I can send both files to my students, and they will have both a practice reference tool to know how to write in cursive and a worksheet to fill out. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for your attention.